Today I am going to make veg biryani. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Fair Cooking and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.